Hi, my name is Kian Leong and I'm presenting question 3. The new lease accounting standard AAS 816 stated that leases are not allowed to account for leases using the operating lease method unless the lease is less than 12 months or low value. And it requires the company to recognize lease asset and liability on the balance sheet at the present value. According to Singapore Airline Annual Report Financial Year 2017-18, the group has non-cancellable operating lease commitments amounting to 3,127.8 million, and it comprises of engines, aircraft, and property and equipment. Therefore, in compliance of the new lease accounting standards, it is believed that there will be a huge impact on the assets, liability, and profit of the company. First of all standards allow operating lease to be off-balance sheet liability, which means it doesn't require to appear on the balance sheet itself. However, by following the new rule, it will now be included in the balance sheet. Hence, there will be a new recognition of lease assets and liability, and SIA assets and liability are expected to increase by a great deal at the present value of the lease payment. There's a concern that the impact of the increased liability will cause the gearing ratio to be higher as debt financing are much greater than equity financing. Thus, SIA will have a riskier financing structure. In addition, there will also be a resulting change in the statement of profit and loss. Operating leases are shown as operating expense on straight line basis in all standards. So the same amount is expensed every year, but under the new model, there will be both depreciation and finance costs such as interest expense to be replaced lease or rental expenses. This is likely to mean that equity earning before interest, tax, depreciation, amortization will increase for SIA groups. In a nutshell, implementation of new lease standard will create challenges to their leverage amount and may necessitate updates to convenient calculation with their lenders. However, it provides a more transparency and comparability of leasing transaction for the user. Thank you. Now I'll pass to the next person, David.